Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete all chats on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete all chats on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app, and after that on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icons available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here tap on the settings option on the drop down menu just above the switch accounts, and you'll be on this interface where you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here scroll down until you can find the chat history option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on chat history, and you can see the delete all chats option available for us. Now to delete all of the chats on your WhatsApp, tap on delete all chats, and you can also see where it says the also delete media received in the chats from the device gallery. If you want to delete those, select them, as well as if you don't want to, unselect them like this, guys. And after that, tap on the delete chats option available over here, and all of the chats on your WhatsApp will be deleted. And guys, this is how to delete all chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.